fountain pens. Fountain pens have got their own philosophy, and someone told me when I was using Lemmy's Safari pen, it got dried, and when it got dried, to make the ink flow better, he shook the pen well, and then he realized the pen is writing too broad, and then dried, and then he found that it has no nib. So now then advice was you look into the ink pot or somewhere where you have been shaking this, but in vain you couldn't find one. So now we will have to find a nib for that, and the zip has been removed, and then it is not very easy to do it, but let us hope. There is something wrong with the rail, or no, it has gone very well. Only thing is one has to be very careful. One should not shake the pen unnecessarily. You remember now. Alright, so it is fitting very well. It goes into the rail of the zip. So okay. A pen that is just back from the factory after having got a new nib, and new nib is very fantastic medium tip, and you need to ensure that it is neat and clean. These are the fantastic parts of using the fountain pens. Okay. You see, you can buy a new pen, but still old pen has got its own charm, because when it gets effective rubbings, it gives you a different kind of feel in your hand, and also some pleasure in writing and enjoying with that. So that is the reason we always go for repairing the pen rather than buying one. You can always buy a new one, no issues. Right, well, okay, right. Lemmy Safari with the medium tip has been repaired successfully. I hope now some prevention is needed.